Alright, so in this episode, we're going to be creating the area where we're going to be able to cancel subscriptions and add in subscription management, upgrade, and so on. So let's go ahead and create a controller here. And in this controller, I want to call this controller we want to name this subscription show controller. You want to make it invocable? Let's head to web.php, and in here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new route here, which we're going to call subscriptions/account/subscriptions. And in here, we want to then have subscription show controller. And this is going to be named account/subscriptions. In here, we just want to return a view. So for now, I'm just going to go in and create a subscription page. Inside profile, actually. So we're going to call this subscription.jsx. And in subscription.jsx, we just want to have a default one here where we have Stripe component that loaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy parts of this edit one here. And instead, I am going to go ahead and close this here. And then I'm going to go ahead and say subscription. And then in here, I want to add in some styling here, which is basically just from the Laravel Breeze default styling. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this here. Again, you can basically just copy this from the edit page here. Other places, I've just copied it into one big element here. And let's call this block manage subscription. And let's go ahead and then show this in here. So for now, we just want to return view. And it's going to be profile.subscription. So if we head back into our authenticated layout, in here we want to create a responsive nav link here for account.subscription. Just call this manage subscription. And we just want to make sure we have the name set in the web.php file. And we want to make sure we don't just have this with a responsive nav link. We also want to make sure it's on the regular link. So in here, you just want to say, again, account.subscription and say manage subscription. View profile.subscription is not found. So let's just make sure we have this properly done in here. So just going to copy the name of the file here. Oh, and it's not a view, of course, it's inertia. And let's see why this isn't working. So profile page to subscription is not found. We need to make sure it's obviously with a slash instead. So if you now go in and click, you can see we now have this manage subscription box here. So that's actually all for this video. In the next video, we're going to start adding in the ability to manage the subscription and then cancel and renew and so on. So thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.